Oh, good morning. It's like around 11:20 a.m. Waiting at the bus stop because I don't want to ride the bike today because it's cold and I'm still kind of recovering from a cold. I hope the bus comes. I'm gonna go head over to Mito Station, grab some lunch, and then head over to Nitori today and buy some furniture. Let's go. Kana Nori. Yeah. Came about 2 minutes late. There's nobody here. Finally, my Ibapti card, this one right here, worked while this one, the Manaka, is on top of it.
Yo, it's my own personal bus, yeah! The Bus and the Furious, Mito Drift, coming soon to theaters near you. I wonder if you know how we...
It's pretty empty out here at the station. Probably because it's a holiday.
I got hungry, so I went to this ramen place in the station. And right before coming here, I actually ran across one of the teachers I hung out with yesterday. Pretty cool. And after eating lunch together, we met up with two more teachers from the same program, and they showed me this awesome board game and card game shop where you can play for free. It's really cool.
And they went to go play board games. That place, it's free to play there. There's just like tables. Apparently usually crowded, but it's not right now because it's a holiday. Yeah, you just go in there and play for free, but kind of just to be polite, you can purchase a card or two. My main objective is to go get some furniture today, so I'm here at the bus stop now. Just waiting for the bus. I didn't even know there was a bus stop here.
I really want a microwave/oven toaster. Please. Also need a table, and I thought of getting this one, but I didn't. Check out all these randoseru! I'm such a fan of randoseru. And there was a nearby Uniqlo, so I passed by to get some clothes.
So this is my current bus stop. There's no chair. It's in front of a Famima though, so that's nice. This is like one of the closest bus stops from Uniqlo. And I'm just here chilling, literally chilling.
I was really hoping this would taste like the McRib, but alas, it did not. Oh, what is this, you say? It's a special bowl for grinding sesame seeds. And why is there ramen here? Because I'm still hungry, and I really wanted to try this ramen place near my house. Ah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was so delicious, I was super shook. I am an absolute fan of this sesame ramen. Absolutely delicious. I wish I could take you guys here, but we'll see if it's still open after the pandemic. Look at this fresh, slimy seaweed. Love this stuff. This particular bowl also had the triangular tip of the bamboo shoot. Absolutely delicious. It was a different flavor that I'm used to when I eat bamboo shoots or menma.
Yo, I'm back home. That place, it's very, very close to my place. I passed by and I was like, wow, they're open right now. Delicious. Near the end, I was about to just like leave, and I believe she's probably the owner. She started talking to me. Beginning part of it was a little bit hard for me to catch, but she mentioned kind of like the closing time. It was like, oh, it's 8 p.m. now. A lot of stores closing early as well. And I think she said something like, it's probably hard, but only the good stores can keep up. That's really cool, but I basically just made a new friend, which is not usually the case how it happens in Japan, especially at a ramen place that usually moves very fast-paced. I will absolutely be a regular there and just chatter up and practice. It's my little talk session. Yeah, before I sleep, I just wanted to show my haul. So after Nitori, I actually went to Uniqlo. So I went there to buy Heat Tech, and I bought the cotton version one, which is kind of a nice stretchy fabric. I got this color, chocolate poop color. Mustard is what it says. And then I got the black version of that. And I got a white one. So I got three, like 900 yen. I accidentally got a cashmere sweater. I was already there and I was like, whatever, let's buy it. It ended up being like $70-ish. Staticky, but it's warm. So that's what I got. And now for the Nitori stuff. I went in there to buy big appliances, but I ended up buying cooking stuff. First of all, I got this guy. Oh, this thing's heavy. Pots and pans. It has a detachable handle. Got a little nabe. Wow, this is thick. This is really high quality. Made in France. Got a slightly smaller one and the bigger one, which is just right for me. Electric kettle. Looks like that. Really cheap. It's like 20 bucks. The t-fal is like 120 bucks. A set of 4 little plates. That's a nice size. Size of my face. I don't have an iron yet. This is an iron mat. You can just lay it on and then you can iron on it, so you don't need an ironing board anymore. I think that's really smart. Got myself a really nice silicone spatula. A cork thing, a cutting board, that's the biggest one they have. I got myself a really nice knife. Or at least it looks nice to me. It looks really solid. I got hangers because they're super cheap. They're like 180 yen or something for a set of 10. And I got 2 of them. Finally, I can hang some of my clothes. Freaking weighing scale. It's a glass one. Very fancy. It's screwed on? Come on. Pull tab here. Ah, yeah, it works. Gonna pop up soon. 80.2 kilograms. Pretty crazy. That's about 176 pounds. I was like close to 152, 53 around like I think in the summer working for Amazon. But now I have a guide, which is this weighing scale. It'll be my friend.